So guys, welcome to another travel vlog. This time I am in Toronto, Canada, and Toronto is basically the financial and cultural hub of Canada. It is the largest city in Canada and a little bit expensive as well in terms of accommodation. I will show you that later, but let's explore Toronto and see all the places and attractions here. Right now I am in the Queen's Park area in downtown, so we'll be exploring the other places as well. So see you.
I said I'm okay, I've been better, not sure if it's paradise. And if it's the small things that matter, then maybe it's where it lies. But oh, we're looking for keys to this world. Left my high rise, looked back and said oh, though I still believe that there's more to the sunrise. But sometimes I let go, I lose track of the days. I get caught in my high life, no, can't quit till it plays out. Call back cause I'm meant to, I lost count of the days. I get caught in my high life, still caught in my high life. Sometimes when I let go, I lose track of the days. I get caught in my high life, no, can't quit till it plays out. Call back cause I'm meant to, I lose track of the days. I get caught in my high life, still caught in my high life. Will I be your number one? When it's love I'm coming from, never sure of what's to come. Oh, though I'll be okay and get better, I'm not sure I'm satisfied. And there's still some parts of the truth that I hid, but you recognized. But oh, we're looking for keys to this world. Left my high rise, looked back and said oh, though I still believe that there's more to the sunrise. But sometimes when I let go, I lose track of the days. I get caught in my
University, Toronto. This is University of Toronto in Toronto, Canada. Very beautiful. This is the garden of the university, and you can see all the departments in the background. So just enjoying the weather. Today's fantastic weather in the University of Toronto ground. Eee.
That we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now all those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.
I heard it, but I was like, कुछ सुनाई तो देगा नहीं.
Canada's tallest tower, CN Tower. aquarium just in the background.
My heart takes one beat out of two. My heart takes one beat out of two. I am already through. I am already through. Remember what you used to say, that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the draw.
So guys, right now I'm in Chinatown. This is located in the downtown Toronto on Spadina Avenue. So if you are looking for low price shopping and for different restaurants, Asian restaurants, then you don't miss this place, Chinatown. So I'll be looking forward to show you some really nice attractions here in Chinatown. Guys, this is a Pakistani and Indian restaurant in Toronto, and any meal costs around $10 here, 10 Canadian dollars. Like you can see, this is the chicken, roti, and the juice, and this salad. So, just having the dinner here in Toronto in a Pakistani and Indian restaurant, and it cost around 10 Canadian dollars, like 80 US dollars.
St. Andrew Station.
So guys, in Toronto there is a subway metro train which takes you to almost anywhere in the city and outside of the city. This is the coin that you actually can get from the station, which I got, and this costs $3, and it is valid for one ride. I mean, you can have one ride with this coin, and you can also get the cards for weekly, for month, or for week. So that's cheaper than this coin, one-time coin. So I got this map, and I found a problem in the subway. It doesn't work like other cities in the world. I mean, it is not very easy to understand when you first come to Toronto City. You know, this is a huge network of train stations here. It is like you will get confused in understanding this map, because if you see, like, this is the line 2, and that is going to Kipling, and the line is green, and there is another line which is 1, and that is yellow line, and there is also a pink line, and one is blue line to Kennedy. So these all are lines. But in other cities, like, if you just go to the train station and find the last stop where the train is going to, basically, in this case here you can see the Kennedy, and there you will find that is Kipling. So that is opposite direction. So if you want to go, for example, in other cities like in Thailand, Malaysia, Dubai, like in Canada, in Montreal, so if you are going to, like, this Royal York station, and you get there, then, and you are at basically at this High Park station, you want to go to Royal York, so you will just get the 2 line to Kipling. And if you want to go to, if you are at this Pape station and you want to go to Coxwell, you will then get the Kennedy line, right? This is the one line, green line, but you have to take the direction like the Kennedy or the Kipling. But it doesn't work in Toronto like that. When you get the line, you have to still find out, like, the direction: southbound, northbound, eastbound, westbound, and this kind of all bounds, you know. So that makes you confused actually, and actually confused me as well, because for last 2 weeks I'm here in Toronto, and every time I get a ride on the train, I ask the operator for my train station, and then I go there. So that's a little bit confusing. Otherwise, it is a nice train system, and I will show you that as well. And basically, it is an old system, that's why maybe the map and the lines are confusing a little bit for new travelers. Anyways, I hope you are enjoying the vlog. So guys, it was all about Toronto tour. If you are staying for longer, for many days or for weeks, then you can find a cheaper place to stay in the nearby areas, like outside downtown, like in Scarborough, Mississauga, Markham, and different places. But if you're staying for a few days, then you can stay in the downtown area like I'm staying here, and I have shown you my room as well for how much I got that. For first 3 days I stayed in a hostel for $40, and then my room. So basically you can stay in the downtown like on the College Street or in the near Chinatown. You will find cheaper places for staying there. And for grocery shopping, for other shopping, you can go to 7-Eleven shop and Raxel shop, which I have shown you in the video. And actually the bus tour, if you want to take, that is all about showing you all the city. And other activities, if you like, it is an international city. And the train system is a little bit confusing for a newcomer, but overall it is okay. And Toronto is not very expensive, but it is expensive. The pricing is similar like USA, like New York. Maybe some different, depends on the atoms, you know. Some atoms are cheaper and some are similar and some are expensive, higher. So all depends on the product. So similar to the US from my experience. And that's it. I hope you liked the vlog. If you did, then share it and subscribe to my channel for upcoming vlogs, because I will be posting more videos, more travel videos in the upcoming days. So thank you for watching. Bye for now, and I will see you with a new destination very soon. Bye bye.